flex. They ran up in your crib and took your platinum flex. I thought that you was
YouTube. Yes, sir. We about to pop out. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Drake. Better go crazy. Hold on. Fit check. I'm like a GTA character type shit. I hop in the Mustang, bro, and we about to do a POV. Pulling up to this car meet. I'm gyrating shit, bro. About to pop out at the nighttime, cause I only come out the nighttime. I'm not going too crazy, you know what I'm saying? I'm just popping out, you know what I'm saying? I'm not about to be out there for too long.
I don't even get high when I'm outside. I see niggas on the ground with their mouth wide. Every time we come up on the route slide, headshot from the chrome, leave a scalp fried.
We pop out at nighttime, you feel me? I'm saying, we pulling up. Seeing what's good. We deep in this joint. Go, bro, in the charger. Oh, his joint is sweet. Look at the 350Z. You probably can't even see. Don't look like a drift car. What you been listening to, Dre? I ain't fit in when I sit in. That Mustang looks like he pushing power. I'm not gonna hold you. You see him? His tires a little thick in the back. Can the light turn? What's good with the Brodies? Why the G wants a race? Oh shit. Oh, who the G winning? So yeah, y'all, this is gonna be the end of this video, bro. I ain't really like stop at the car meet because I ain't really see any like real good parking spots for me, and I ain't really feel like walking. Popped out and dipped, you know what I'm saying? But I'm more on the road, bro. I was trying to catch people on the road and like drive with them. My timing was trash. But hey, we saw a G race a Mustang and the G burned his ass. But yeah, y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this little video, bro. More bangers on the way, bro. Just stay tuned, bro. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more bangers. And I'm out, y'all. Peace.